Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath. Today in this video, we will see the measures of central tendency. Central tendency. See the word central. That is important. There you have to focus. Yeah, here you can see your subject name, biostatistics and research methodology. Pharma D as per PCA, Pharmacy Council of India. For Pharm D, there is a uniform syllabus throughout the India. Okay, not like a B Pharm. And the fourth year course, here is a fourth. And here you got a unit 2 syllabus, what I have shown, that is biostatistics. Unit 1 is research methodology, that is already I completed. You go and see my previous videos, there you can find that. And unit 2, biostatistics, see the syllabus once. Introduction, types of data distribution, measures of describing the central tendency, distributions, average, median, mode, measurement of spread of data range, variation of mean, standard deviations, variance, coefficient of variation, standard error of mean. So, the highlighted point we will see, that is a measures of describing the central tendency, the measures of central tendency. How will you measure the central tendency? Okay, that we will see. In the syllabus they gave average, median or mode. Okay, so don't fear. Biostatistics is actually very easy subject, but students they will get fear first whenever they will listen the name biostatistics. Okay, see the introduction part, it was there in my channel's playlist. You can go and search there. Okay, there you can find the what is a biostatistics, very interesting introduction. Okay, so your fear will be reduced, you will be relaxed after listening the video. Now you will see, we will go through the our topic now. See, central tendency are 4 types. In syllabus, they gave only 3 types. That is average, median, mode. But actually, it is a 4 types. Mid-range also. Mid-range. All are M, 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 M. 4M. Just like triple R movie, RRR. Here, 4M. Mean, also called as average. Also. Median, mode, mid-range, all these are all called as a central tendency. Central tendency is nothing but 4M. 1, 2, 3, 4. For all 4M, now we will see one by one. No problem. We will take very simple examples and we will. The slides, what I have shown is more than sufficient for the examination. Okay, need not to be refer any textbooks. If you want, you can refer it also. No problem at all. Okay, and let us have a look. What is central tendency? Main meaning. These are the 4 we know. See here, central tendency. Overall conclusion in a simple way you have to represent. That is called a central tendency. See here, how was the movie? Your friend asked you, how was the movie? So you saw movie and your friend came and asked how was the movie and all. So in the movie there will be a good scenes will be there, bad scenes will be there, and it is a mix of both. So how you are saying, you are taking average of a film. Finally, in one word, you are saying either it is a good film or a bad film. Like that, you have to conclude in one way. You cannot explain first scene is good, second scene is bad, third scene is good, fourth scene is bad. You cannot explain. Overall image and overall impression is nothing but central tendency. That's it. Actually, that is the real meaning of central tendency. But most of the students, they will get confusion. No problem. How is your mother? Either she is always used to scold or she is always relaxed, whatever you do. Sometimes she will scold, sometimes she will be cool. Isn't it? Finally, what you have to say, oh, my mother is always scolding, a number of times it is scolding. No, if scolding is more, what you can say, no, my mother is always scolding, like that you will take. If it is, she is a cool. So what majority you have to take, average you have to take, and you have to tell them. And how are your students? So students, intelligence will be there, poor is there. How can we say, how is your student? Single word I have to say, they are average. Like that. So I cannot say exactly I have to say exactly in one word, one overall opinion. For example, see here, 10th class marks in India. In India, say in one word, not data. See, one question was that 10th class marks in India. See, I have Trivandrum, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Ajmer. All the list is there. And if I show the data, he will get confusion. No, no, no. I want in a single short answer. That's it. Then what you have to do, you have to take average, mean. What we saw in central tendency, 4M. A mean we have to take and you have to tell it. It is a total average like that. It may be, there may be a poor students, there may be a good students, whatever it may. Overall, you have to say. That is called as a central tendency. Now we will see first vocabulary review, what it is actually sum. Sum means, the answer to an addition problem. You are adding, sum up. I will give you a 4 and 5. You have to sum up. 4 and 5, it's a 9. Okay, so sum is 9 here. The answer to an addition problem is called as a sum. What is the addend? Addend means the number you added together is called as a addend to get the sum. See here I have shown with the colors. Orange color are addend. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 15 I have shown in the violet color. It is a sum. Sum is different, addend are different. Keep in your mind. And then next, we will see definition. What is actually the mean, median, mode, mid-range? What is the mean? Mean means meaning. What I want to say. See, if your father is scolding to you, you will ask, what do you want to say? And then he will explain that I mean to say that. I mean to say the mean. Mean means meaning. Mean means average. Average. Okay. Overall meaning you have to see. He is not scolding. He is scolding for your good only. For your good only he is scolding. So overall meaning you have to see. Not the particular point. Either he is angry, he is a cool. Not the particular. Overall meaning. Mean. Mean means average. That is keep in your mind. Mean means meaning. Mean means average. The average of a group of numbers. The average of a group of numbers. 2, 5, 2, 1, 2. Whatever order is there. See here, need not to be keep all these numbers in an order. Need not. In average. Just you go on adding all these are called as addends. You just add all the numbers and you take the mean. How to calculate the mean? See here mean is 3. 2, 5, 2, 1, 2. 1, 5. Last one. So finally it is a 3 is a mean. How I have calculated? There is no formula. See that there is no formula. How I have to calculate? All these points you have to examine. See this is pictorial way. Pictorially 2 is there. See here 2. 5 is there, 2 is there, 1 is there, 5 is there. And I have to calculate all I have to take the mean, average. I have to make it average and I have to tell in single shot. See entire 5 addends in single shot I will say it is 3. So you will get some impression. Okay, all these numbers even though it is average is 3 like that it is there in mind. See here I will shift these things. I will shift like this and I will make average. See what is average here? 3. Mean is 3. And how to, now you come to formula. Is there any formula to find the mean of a group of numbers? Step 1, add all the numbers. That is very, very important. Need not to be put in the order. Add all the numbers. That is addends. See here, what is addends? See the numbers 8, 10, 12, 18, 22, 26. You add it all, 96. See here, step 2, divide the sum. Total sum is 96. You divide the sum by the number of addends. How many number are there? Addends. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 96 divided by 6. These points you have to write in the examination. That only they are expecting from pharmacy people or pharmacy people. This is a very simple mathematics. You know that mathematics is a power of science. Mathematics is powerful than the science. It is mother of the science. See here, divide the sum by the number of addends. Like that you can be divide. That is the number. And how to find the mean of a group of numbers? See here, mean of a group of numbers. The mean or average of these numbers is 16. How you calculate? That is a 16. For this, you calculate, you take the pen and you calculate it. Okay, and you will get the number. What is the mean of these numbers? 7, 10, 16. 11 is the answer. 11 is the answer. This some 2 or 3 examples you have to write in the examination. What is the mean of these numbers? 13. 1, 2, 7, 11, 19, 8. 38. Mean, average. Now you come to the definition of median. Median means you keep in your mind middle. D is the key point, median. See here, D is underlined and it is a present in the center. That is a keyword here. Median means middle. I will not sum up here. See here, I will not do any sum up, but I will arrange all these numbers and I will take only middle number. First one and last one I will left. Keep in your mind. Okay, median is in the middle. Here also DD, see here, median, middle. Median. The middle number in a set of ordered numbers. That is very important point. Set of ordered number. Whereas in the first one, we are adding all the numbers and we are taking a sum up. But here you are not taking. We are keeping in order. Keeping order is important, but you are not adding. Okay. Arrange in an order, increasing order. And you find what is the middle number. That's it. See here it is a 7. All are very seriously is there. Very serious. Series number 1, 3, 7, 10, 9, 13. And median is a 7. See. Middle number, that's it. We are not at all bothering either this side is 100 or that side is 0. We are not at all bothering about that. Here 1, 3 is there. Here let it 9, 9, 9. Why you are bothering? Need not to be bothered at all. Either it may be a big number and here it is a too small. What we want is centrally what is the number that we want. That is called a median. In case of average, we are adding all the numbers and we are dividing it. Okay, don't worry, don't bother, don't break your head. Okay. See how to find the median in a group of numbers. See, steps are there. What is the first step I have told you? Have to arrange. Step 1, arrange the numbers in order from last to greatest. That is, you have to start from last to the greatest. 18. See here, group of numbers are 21, 18, 24, 19, 27. I will put in an order. 18, 19, 21, 24, 27. That is the first step completed. Now, step 2, find the middle number. 21 is the middle number. Once you put in order, then you select the center number. That is very important. And not the data as such what they have wrote. No. If you do like that, you will get wrong answer. 24 is a median. No. So you take 21 only, right? Keep in your mind. Find the middle number, that is 21. So this is your median number. That's it. Nothing to do much more depth in think, that's it. Median means middle. Step 3, if suppose there are two middle numbers, find the mean of these two numbers. 21, for example, say 18, 19, 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, you will get a doubt. So here there is two numbers are there. Then what you have to do is to take average, take a mean of the two numbers. 21 plus 25, 46 divided with, you will get answer 23. That is a median, right? If one number is directly, you can put a round off and you can be selected. If there is a two numbers are there, three numbers will not be there. Keep in your mind. Three numbers will not be possible. Okay, only one number or two numbers are possible. That's it. One number means direct, two numbers means take a sum. Okay, don't break your head. See, what is the median of these numbers? 16, 10, 7. Put in order 7, 10, 16 and take a center part. It is a 10. Yes. Now, what is the median of these numbers? Order. See how many numbers are there? 11. What is the median of these numbers? Put in order all things. Two numbers are here because 6 are there totally. You take average 26 divided by 2. You will get 13. That is 13. And what is the median of these numbers? See here I arranged all in a serially 5, 25, 53, 6. That is important. Arrangement. 120. 120 divided by 2. You will get a 60. That is your number. See here. Definition, mode. Now you come to the last part, almost last part, mode. Mode means what is a mode? Mode. Regularly we are using this word mode. Mode of earning money. Mode is the most popular, not Modi. Mode is a CM. Modi. Narendra Modi is a CM. Okay. Here what we are seeing is a mode. M-O-D-E. Mode. Okay. Mode is the most popular things what is there that we are going to be seeing. That's it. Most popular. See here. I saw some caps styles. Five different styles I gave. But see here, a law of mode. The most popular or the most which is in a fashion. See, most of the population, they will wear baseball caps. See here, that is a baseball caps are law of mode, which is more repeatingly. So in the out of 5 caps, baseball caps are repeating. 2 are there out of 5. So if that is a passion will be repeat. If you are using these type of glasses, if all are using this type of, then you can say it is a passion. It is a mode. It is a mode. The number or the thing which is repeating is called as a mode. Keep in your mind. That's it. Baseball caps are law mode today. See here, the number that appears most frequently in a set of number of times it is repeating, then you can say it is only the thing. If suppose in the movie, okay, only violence scenes are more repeating, then what we can say, it is a violent picture, like that we will say. More scenes, we are not telling average here. Number of scenes which is repeating, that we are going to say it is a violent picture, don't go, it is a full of violence. Like that we will say. Even the film is good, most of the scenes are violent, like that. Okay. The number that appears most frequently in a set of numbers is called as a, here see, 1 is repeated. So that's why I will conclude it as 1. That is a central tendency of this data. Mode is equal to 1. That's it. So remaining here 13 is there. 130, let it 130, let it 900 or let it 1000. Don't bother. Which number is repeating, that number only. Okay. Sir, one side low number, one side less number. So we have to take it average. Average is also one type of expression of central tendency. Central tendency you can express in 4 ways. Okay. Mean, median, mode, mid-range. That's it. You can select any form. Okay. So here we are selecting in the mode form, we are selecting which scenes are repeating. The same scenes we will say it is a mode. So arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. That is also very important in this step. Least to greatest. Okay, in the second. Only in first case need not to be arranged, because you are adding all the numbers in the mean, so need not to be arranged. See, I arranged all these numbers. That is step 1 completed. Now step 2. Find the number that is repeating the most. So here which number is repeating? 18 is repeating. 2 times it is repeated. Remaining all are them. So what is your answer? 18 is the answer. That's it. Which number is the mode here? 8. 8 is the mode. Which number is the mode here? Here, see here, 2 are 2, 9 are 2, 4, 9, 10 is also there. Which number is 2 is repeating? 9 is repeating. Then what you have to do? 9 or 3, sorry. 9 or 3 nines are there. 2 or 2 is there. Okay, if there is a 2 2s and 2 9s, then no problem. You can take average of it. Don't worry about that. 21, 21, 21. Answer. Mid-range. Now you come to the last part, that is a mid-range. Mid-range. Mid means middle. The mid-range is the average of the lowest and highest value. In the data set, average. See, you can get confusion now. What is average? So again, we are taking average. No. We are taking average of not all the numbers. Not all the numbers. In first case, average or mean, we are adding all the numbers. Here, we are not adding. Here, we are taking average only, but not of all the numbers. Average of the lowest number, highest, remaining values I will throw, and not at all required. What is the lowest value? What is the highest value? You take average of it. This measure is not often used since it is based strictly on the two extreme values of the data. Okay, actually this is not using. We are taking extreme, lowest extreme, highest extreme, what it is there. And now we will see the example so that you can understand very easily. See here the data, lowest value, minimum value is 40. Maximum value is 78. Take a mid-range, 14 plus 78 divided by 2. You got 46. That's it. Need not to be worried about the remaining things. So throw it in a dustbin. Okay. In case of average, first one mean, what you are doing is, you are adding all the numbers. Each and every number you are adding and divided by total number of the. Here it is not like that. Divided by 2, highest value, lowest value. That's it. So, very simple concept. You practice it, very simple. Okay, in the exam you write with some examples. That is very important. And thank you for all. Thank you for watching. And in playlist you can find all my videos. So, okay, I will end here my video.